In this video, we will show you how to cut a 3mm inset kitchen worktop joint in compact laminate using the 3mm cams. If you have a worktop that suits your width requirements, you can simply butt the two together, mark, and square off for your reference point. Overhangs can be set to suit your needs, whether flush to the door fronts for handleless kitchens or a set projection. You can measure and mark to achieve the position and square off in the same way. Your registration mark is now ready to align using the 3mm cam and easy set window. For the female joint, insert the pins into the holes marked F90. Then flip the jig and attach the 3mm cams. Turn the jig over and position the cams against the front edge. And align your mark with the 3mm easy set window line. Clamp securely at each end of the jig. Reduce the speed of your router when working on compact laminate, and make the cut in one controlled and steady pass. The male joint is cut from the opposite face to the female, so if you have cut the female face up, the male is cut face down. The jig is also flipped over for the male cut. Fit the pins into the holes marked M90 and attach the 3mm cams to match the female backset. Then push the cams flush to the edge. Check for square and clamp into position, leaving a couple of millimeters to trim away. If you have a longer overhang, cut away the waste first and leave a couple of millimeters to allow for a single pass cut. Make the cut in one controlled and steady pass. The trend KWJ750P for fast and flawless joints every time.